Have you ever had that quiet, nagging feeling that your career is happening around you, but not to you? You see, certain college being invited to closed door meetings, you hear whisper about exciting news project, but only after the leader thought it has already been chosen. You feel busy, you feel productive, but you also feel stuck. If that sounds familiar, it's not just a feeling, it's a warning. So, welcome to day 4 of the Our Personal Branding Challenge. For the past 3 days, we explore the emotion of personal branding. On day 1, we feel the pain of being invisible with Clara. On day 2, we untable the frustration of the why less competent people get promoted. And yesterday, we challenged the passive nice chap, the idea that being agreeable is enough. Today, we move from feelings to fact. We are thinking about the tangible, measurable consequence of a weak a personal brand. This is not about feeling left out. It's about being actively passed over the opportunity you deserve. I am going to share 5 warning signs that you are losing opportunity because your brand is not working for you. Be honest with yourself as you listen. The first step you fixing a problem is seeing it clearly. So, do you see yourself in this side? Sign 1. You hear about opportunity only after they have been assigned. So, you are in the team chat and the manager boss. Huge congrats to Mark for leading the new Q4 client retention task force. And your stomach drops because this is the very first time you are here of this dashboards. Your expertise in client service is unmatched, but you wasn't even considered. Why? Because the real decision was made a week ago in an informal chat between two directors. By the time opportunity become public knowledge, the game is already over. If you were constantly of the outside of the pre-conversation, your plan like influence, you were seen as someone to inform, not someone to consult. Slide 2, your feedback is required at the end of the project, not the beginning. The project manager sent you a meeting invite titled Project Phoenix Kickoff, but you get into the meeting and realize the strategy is set, the budget is approved, and the timeline is fixed. They don't want your strategic input, they want your technical execution. They want you to build the car, but they didn't ask for your opinion on where it should go. This is a classic sign that you have a brand for being a reliable does, not a strategic thinker. And it's the difference between having sit at the table and being on the menu. Side 3, I want to tell you that your performance review praise your activity, not your impact. So, let read your last performance review. Is it filled with words like dependable, reliable, handle a high volume of work, and always willing to have? So, though the hard part of the passive night trap, we talk about the day 3. They sound positive, but they are often code for this person does what they are told. So if you review the like a power work that led, influence, transform, innovated, and drove X result, it means your manager see your effort, but is blind to your impact. You are trapped in the visibility gap that we define on the day 1. Side 4, I want to tell you that people outside your immediate team don't know who you are and what you do. You are the virtual company of hand or across department lunch. Someone from another floor and another country turn to you and ask, so remind me, what do you do here? And you have been with the company for 3 years. This is a major red flag. It means your professional brand is confined to the new few people you work with every day. When leaders look at talent for high profile project, and this can then mentor database and of name from across of entire organization. And if your name isn't in that database, you don't exist. Sci-fi. I want to tell you that your professional inbox is silence. So think about the last one. Has a recruit reached out to you in the LinkedIn with the relevant opportunities? Has a colleague from another company asked for your opinion on the problem? Has someone who don't know well asked to connect for advice? A strong professional is magnet. It pulls opportunities, ideas, and people toward you. If your network is static and you are always the one who doing abstract, it means your brand is not broadcasting a clear, valuable signal. So okay, take a breath. Hearing this sign can be touched, it can be discouraging, but I want you to see it as a gift. You cannot fix a problem you cannot see. Now, you can see you are not destined to be overlooked. You are not doomed to stall a career. You are simply at the beginning of a new, more international phase of your professional life. The power is now in your hand. So, what do you do next? Don't get overwhelmed trying to fix a 5-6 odd one. The first step is to simply acknowledge your reality. So your mission for today is in the comment below. Just write the number of the one sign that resonates with your most. And no explanation, no shape, just side 3 or side 1. By writing it down, you are declaring the yourself and to see the problem you are ready to start solving it. This is your first act and taking back control. Seeing this sign might tell you to run out and start building your brand. It's the way you see others do it. Posting constantly and linking, taking over people in meeting, and turning yourself into working advertisement. Please don't do that. That appears a huge mistake. It's cheap, it feels unauthentic, and is often backfires. A powerful personal brand is not about the self promotion, it's about substance and strategic positioning. In tomorrow's videos, we are going to debug the myth of personal branding, just cheap PR. I am going to show you how to start thinking differently because you are not your job title. You are so much more. Subscribe now so you don't want to miss the crucial mindset shift. Your journey towards that with today's honestly. Goodbye and see you in next video.